YouTube? It's your boy Ryker Buff 900 back with another video. Today we're gonna do Chase Your Light kit number 2. Yesterday we did kit number 1. You seen it? It was over in the headlights, and the front grille, and under the A-arms. Today this one, kit 2, going around the body. Now it's supposed to go right here, but what I want to do is I wanted to put it. Now I wanted to put it inside. Don't let it want to work like that. So I'm gonna have to put it right here. Everything else. I don't have to move this because I have zip tie. I'm gonna have to move the middle one out. Redo it. Shit. It's supposed to go right here. I want it in the inside. But I'll put one on the inside. Alright, so we're gonna get that started. I see already I'm gonna have to remove this middle. I'm gonna push it. See what we got here. Number 2. Office is a mess. Yeah, this is my office. And number 2. Got the splitters, pads. Not like there's one splitter. So this light might be a little easier. Yesterday laying on that damn ground, man, I tell you, it wasn't easy. The lights came in a roll. I'm in a roll. Okay, yeah. So once again, we got preparation first, which y'all know about. So I'm gonna do that right now. Now I hope this whole thing sticks right because I got zip tied right over here for my cup holder. And I need those there. So I'm putting it right on top of the zip tie on this thing. Because I don't want to take that out. None of that. If I put the zip ties, if I take the zip ties off and do the lights, this is super tight because the cup holder, it'll break the light. So that's right here gonna go over. All the way down to here. Let that dry for a second. Maintenance video. How you doing? How you doing? We're gonna press the primer second. Give a second to clear. Dry, man. You know how you check over your bike? You're working on it and notice stuff that you didn't notice before. You gotta look at your joint. Like, oh man, I didn't know that was like that. I didn't know this was like that.
It's still there.
Yeah?
Well, you said reschedule.
Alright, y'all, so now I got the primer. I think the primer fix the blades, or the shiny or silver part, slippery part, or for whatever you put it on. Hope it works. Especially with a zip tie that. That damn dirt, shit. That's off the bike, on the inside. That shit for a minute. Okay, that's just a neighbor. This one. You want to make sure the wire is to the front of the bike. Okay? They say start back here. This get out of my way. Take this off. I'm gonna just take this off and get it out of my way. I feel better. Better to work. And we're gonna start this here. I hate trying to get this tape. There you go. Take a little piece off at a time, no rush. Try with the key. Start at this line, where the fitness starts. How you doing? Alright, so there you have it. You can see it, started here, comes up, it's here, comes around here, and boom. Over there. Go to the front. So now, I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Same thing on this side. Take the cover off. Same thing. Alright, move the brake lever. Move the brake.